Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. No wind. No wind. Suddenly wind is gone. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. alishanmao here. We are having barbecue at this hilltop, and I think it's the best place to test the soaring capabilities of the OMP hobby T720 mini RC glider with a stabilization system. When the wind comes, it should actually soar. Yeah, see, it's already trying to leave my hand. It should actually soar very well. So let's give it a try. Look, it's taking lift, man. It's awesome. A helicopter is coming. A real helicopter is coming. So basically it should get lift right above here. Yeah, just like this. So I can basically fly it a really long time, this doing left and right. Oh, sun in my eyes.
Ready. Yes, ready. You need to put some oil or some soy sauce.
You try it. I have fire.
No wind. No wind. Suddenly wind is gone. We are not soaring. We are going down. But lucky us, we have power, so you know, T720 is one of the best things you can ever have when it comes to RC airplanes.
3 minutes.
Beginner friendly, easy to fly, and capable of doing aerobatics, and biggest bonus is capable of doing FPV. And it just doesn't stop there. It's very durable with detachable wings. When you crash, it just doesn't break anything. So if you're a beginner looking into getting RC airplanes, you want to fly FPV as well later, this is the plane which is going to stay with you very, very long. Have lots of bonuses. You can even glide, learn to soar. Fly it like a glider, fly it like a plane, fly it like an FPV plane. Right here I have some lift. If we have winds, we will have a lot of lift here. Oh, here also have some lift.
Not ready.
Not ready yet. Not finished. A little bit. 5 minutes.
Yeah, my commentary stopped because I'm actually enjoying flying this baby. Any potatoes ready to eat?
Don't have fire. Already ready.
Don't have fire? Okay, I'm coming. Hey. Ni ao phim à? Okay, landing time.
This one maybe also got. I have plastic.
Landing time. Plenty of place to land. Perfect landing, baby. Right? Okay, let's enjoy some potatoes, and then we will do some bashing with the Mad Monster and fly the Z1 bicopter. You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.